Let's see how to add a 0 in front of a number in Microsoft Excel. So I have a hypothetical example right here. Let's say that I'm trying to add some phone numbers, and all of a sudden you see that I'm not able to add the 0 in here because Excel automatically removes the 0 in front of a number. And let's see two ways that we can use to avoid this. So the first way is to select the cell and right click, and from here you have to go to Format Cells, and from here make sure that you have selected the Number tab over here and go to Custom, and from Custom look for the second option right here that simply says a 0, and with this option right here we have to add as many zeros as we have numbers in our number, and an extra 0 that will be placed in front of the number. And so I have a number that contains 5 numbers, so I'm adding 5 zeros, and when I add the sixth one, you can see that it has been moved in front of 7. And if I add more, then I will have more zeros in front of 7. And if I click OK, I have my value over here. But keep in mind that if I add more numbers after, the 0 will disappear. So you have to make sure that you always insert as many zeros as you have numbers in there. And the next option, which I prefer for phone numbers, is to select the cell, go to the Home tab, go to Number, and from here, instead of General, select Text, and with that we can add the 0 in front of the cell and Excel will no longer complain about it. That's it. This is how you do it. I hope you learned something new with this video. Now, if you've reached the end of the video, I want to thank you for watching, and if you could please do me a favor and hit the like button and leave a comment below with your feedback for this video. It will help me a lot with the channel, and it will also help me reach more people in the future. And by the way, if you'd like to see more videos like this, please check out the description of this video. I have a link right there to a playlist full of Microsoft Excel videos just like this one. Thank you, and I hope you have a great day.